Kia ora e te whānau, ko hauku Gideon Porter, no aipara konei, te raro o te iwi. Over my right shoulder, above there's a little shed there. Above there my dad had placed up there some 40 years ago a plastic black tank about the size of a 44-gallon drum. And he'd done all kinds of weird and wonderful things to make that work as our water supply, and for the most part it actually met requirements for the most part. We always used to have issues in summertime. The tanks would fill slower, people always want to use more water in summertime, we'd run dry. Not all the time, but enough to be hoha. So with this green tank, I don't even know that we've ever half emptied it since it's been full. So I've got to say I was surprised really. When I got asked, I went, well, must be heaps of whānau that needed more than us. And it's just that we got asked and we said, yes, I absolutely want it. I have to think that this is one of the best initiatives I've come across recently. Most of our whānau, the water quality that they have is iffy at the best of times. But to be able to get, what, a 25,000 litre tank with filters? From week to week, most of us can't put $600 or $700 together. So I got to think that it's kind of life-changing for many in the sense that they would have had inconsistent water supply. Now, 25,000 litres, it's like 3 whānaus if you really needed to. Ai, kia ora, puna wai ora, ko te ora tēnā. Puna wai ora is life.